It's always a pleasure being a part of this Christmas Carnival of Pathways, and it's been 4 or 5 years. We are into decor team, and every year with new theme, we are too much always looking forward what to go ahead with. So again this year we are coming with a new theme, circus, and I know everybody is going to love this theme, and we are also enjoying doing this part.
Hi, I'm Vinita. She's Ruchika, she's Pragya, she's Bhavna, Priyanka and Shikha. We are all a team and we represent rock and roll. See you on 18th of December.
For me it's been 2 years for this in the decor team, and I'm really enjoying it. My son is enormously excited more than me, and he was making sure that I will be the part of this secretary all the time. So he's love to do for the kids. So he's really enjoying it. Thank you.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Rakshika Zaka is here. Idli, dosa, all the way.
Hi, I'm Taranama. I take care of the funds for the Christmas Carnival. The process is very simple. We get donations from different parents. Some of them come specifically for the food stall, some of them specifically come for decor, and the rest goes into the central fund, which we divide at the end of the day, so that we know whoever is falling short, we just compensate for them.
We are Team Sip and Savor. Hi, I'm Kanika and Guneet. Come join us as we have some warm tea, hot chocolate with marshmallows, coffee, kava and lots more.
Hi guys.
Hi,
I'm Rachita.
I'm Anupriti,
And we are doing the Maggi and the Kulfi stall.
and this year we are waiting for you all to come and enjoy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, my name is Devani Vora. I have been part of the carnival right from the beginning, and heading the decor team for the last 10 years. And every year we look forward to it. Our work starts in October. We look forward to discussing the theme, getting everything prepared. We discuss it in the group ad nauseum. Everybody just gets involved in the process, and every year we try to choose something that is relevant to all age groups.
Yeah, Team Representatives. Looking forward to see you all on 18th December.
Ice cream and jello.
So guys, it's ice cream.
You screamed?
We all scream for
Ice cream.
This year we're bringing to you garma garam pakode, jalebis and yummy Chinese.
Step right up, all you clowns. Welcome to the sweetest stall in town at Sugar Rush.
Hey everyone, it's Christmas time again. We are a group of bravery moms to rock the carnival with our Christmas song.
Looking forward to seeing you at our stall Cookie Box this year. See you there.
Christmas Carnival, more than celebration, it is a platform where we bridge the gap between the management and the parents community. Like we grow and grow together, hand in hand.
Hi, we are Team Chocolava. See you there.
We're doing the pizza stall, and this year we've introduced the kids' favorite pasta too.
Don't forget to visit our stall for Italian flavors and delight. Merry Christmas everyone.
And looking forward to see you all. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We've been doing the cotton candy and popcorn stall for almost 7 years now, and we really want you to come and enjoy the carnival with all of us.
This year the theme is circus, and we eagerly look forward to do this every year. We just wait for November to start putting our thoughts and start doing our work together with our team. We love it like anything.
Welcome to the world of colors this year.
If you are looking for something exciting and mouth-watering, so you have to go nowhere. Come to Rajbadi Hatti, which will make your taste buds dance.
Hey man!